In this video, you'll learn how to check your payment history on Wecasa. This guide will walk you through the process of accessing your past bookings and invoices, both on the website and through the app. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly where to find your payment information. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wecasa.co.uk. Once the page loads, look for the option to log into your custom area, typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on this option to proceed. If prompted, enter your email address and password to access your account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your customer dashboard. Here, locate the section labeled Past Booking and Invoices. This section may be found in the main menu or sidebar. Depending on your screen layout, click on Past Booking and Invoices to view your payment history. Once you enter the Past Booking and Invoices section, you will see a list of all your completed sessions along with their payment details. This includes the dates of your bookings, the services rendered, and the total charges. Review this information to track your spending and confirm any charges. If you prefer to check your payment history via the app, simply open the Wecasa app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, navigate to your booking history. Here, you can easily access the payment information related to your past sessions. This feature allows you to track your orders at any time. It is important to note that invoices for your sessions will be available the day after your appointment, typically around 5 in the evening. The past booking and invoice section provides accurate charge details, which is especially useful if there were any changes made during or after your sessions. This ensures you have a clear understanding of your payment history. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.